What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just got down here to the river. We're gonna be doing some catfishing, guys. You guys can see this beautiful flat. It's like it goes kind of like deep. This is a whole big sand flat down here. So we're hoping to catch a couple channel cats, take them home, and do a catch, clean, and cook. Well, catch and cook for you guys to see. So let's hope we catch at least 3, guys. I'm just hoping to catch 3 for dinner. That's it. So today we'll be using stink bait, the sticky wicky. You guys know that's one of my favorite baits, one of my favorite sticky stink baits to fish here on the Rock River. For some reason, that's the only one I'm able to catch fish on, or chicken livers here and there. Anyways, guys, stay tuned and hopefully we catch some big greasy channel cat. This is like a good one, guys. Please don't come off. There we go. Still on. Baby channel cat. Finally I got something to show for. Look at that. It's too small to keep, but it's cool that the catfish are still around. I had to throw it far, guys. There you go. Look at that beautiful little catfish. Look at those beautiful spots, guys. Hopefully they keep getting bigger. Alright, guys, just let them go. Look at them right there. Back to the depths. But it dropped it. Oh yeah, this one feels amazing. Oh. Let's hope we land him this time. Yeah, another one. Another small guy. Felt big because of the current. Well, it makes number 2 for today, but not a keeper again, guys. Not a keeper. Look at that. I really like the stinky bait. Might have to put new stink bait on this one and throw it towards that way. Throw it towards that way, because I threw it right away and they started biting over there. Huh. Rain or no rain, we're gonna still be out here, guys. Alright, guys, so let this guy go. I thought it was a big one. Disappointed where all the big ones at today. There he goes. Back to the depths. Alright, guys, this is how my fishing adventures have gone this year. I have been going out there catfishing for the last 3 days. I haven't been able to catch nothing. It sucks. It really sucks. For me, in my personal experience this year, I haven't been able to catch no catfish, guys. It's just been struggling everywhere that I go. So, with that being said, guys, on today's day, we're gonna go walleye fishing, and hopefully we're able to catch something today. I really want to catch a couple keepers, bring them back home. But I only got about an hour or two, because I got a kid. I have my son playing football today at 12, so it's like 8 in the morning. I got like 2 hours, 2.5 hours before I gotta go. So let's see if we can make something happen today, because the catfish does not want to play. See you there. I got something, guys. It's a smallmouth. Oh, I lost him right here ashore. Whew. That was a decent size one. That's totally my fault. Tell you, man, these little hooks. Some guy told me one day these eagle claw hooks would not hold up a fish. You know what? That's a lie. Yes, I know my fingernails are painted. My daughter was painting my nails the other day. Anyways, some guy told me these will never hold up a fish because the diameter of the wire's too thin. It bends too easy. Not really. I have caught northern pike on these guys. Literally. Well, that's a good sign that there's fish in here. I just had to change to the chartreuse color. And when I hit any other color, I threw the chartreuse right there. Bam. He was there the whole time. Look, got another one, guys. Let's not lose this one. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Oh, it's just this came up. It's weird. He got it on the bottom of it today. Look at that. Think he wanted it? Yeah. Look, he got this down here. That's pretty weird. Look at that. Beautiful smallmouth. They're getting fat, guys. They're getting ready for winter. This fish feels really cold now. You know smallmouth love that cold weather. Alright, guys. Let's let this bad boy go. There we go. Another one. There we go. Get that 6 cents in your face, buddy. The Iceman, though. Look at that, guys. I got the baby whale in here. See? These hooks are sharp. Yeah. Ooh, got the hook out, man. Those are sharpy hooks, guys. Straight up sharp. Very sharp hooks. Starting to get very fat. Look at that. Let me take a quick picture with him, and we'll let him out real quick. Alright, let's let this bad boy go. There he goes. Back to the depths. Yeah. Big. What is this? This one's really big. I only got 8-pound test line. Just let them get tired. Oh man, we snagged a carp. We'll take it too. Look at that. How did we do that? Oh, there he goes. He must have been swimming by and I snagged the dorsal fin on him. Whew. I was like, man, that's gotta be a pike or something. That was huge. Nope, it's just a common carp swimming by and we ended up snagging the little bit of dorsal fin. I got another one. Stay down. Stay down. Oh my god, this is a huge one. Ooh, this is dinner right here. This is what we came to catch here. Come here. It's dinner, guys. Oh yeah, this is what we came for. Oh, sauger. Look at the size of this bad boy. This is dinner right here. He was barely hooked. It's tangled all over. Is it recording? Look at that, guys. This is what we came for. It's a beautiful sauger, legal limit size. I want to say it's 16, 17 incher. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. We're eating good tonight, Martha. It's a multi-species video. Catfish, smallmouth, now sauger. Woo! Oh yeah. What a wonderful morning to start today, guys. Wonderful morning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode, guys. I thought it was a good day of fishing for day 2. Day 1, I was trying to catch some catfish. Did not make that happen. Just 2 little ones like you guys saw. But today we were able to catch a couple of little smallmouth and a nice sauger to go home and eat. But other than that, guys, it was a wonderful day, wonderful morning. Now time to get ready to go watch my boy play some football. Anyways, until next week, guys, fish on. And I hope you break your personal best before this year's over. See you guys next week.